First, we configure the production screens for the back office by going to the production screen module. Here you can see that there are already several production screens set up. The bar screen, the cold and the warm screens for the cold and the warm kitchen, and the server screen, where the servers can pick up the food after it's been prepared in the kitchen. It's important to configure the visible stages of a production screen. The cold kitchen is configured to show the stages ordered, producing and ready, and the server screen is configured to show the stages producing, ready and served. This means that a ticket can only be started from the cold kitchen and can only be ended from the server screen. Because the server screen has the last status and the cold screen has the first status. If you edit it, you can see that these stages can be ordered, and you can add more stages. But we should only, on a screen, ever have 3 stages. So always 3 stages and always in the same order. After we've added the production screens, we can configure the production lines. The production lines is where we bring the screens together. So here you can see that for the cold production line, we bring the cold and the server screen together, which means that products or categories linked to the cold production line will end up on both the cold and the server screen. First on the cold screen, because it has the ordered status, the first status, and then on the server screen, because it has the status after that. So you can see the statuses, they overlap, producing and ready, meaning that if you put it from ordered to producing in the kitchen, then afterwards you can put it from producing to ready and served from the server screen. Production lines can also be used to forward products to printers. That's what you see here. This production line called printer will simply forward a product to a printed ticket. So that has nothing to do with the production screens, but the production lines is what brings everything together. If you look at the cold production line, you will also see that it's only linked to the salad and the dessert categories. So only products from that production line, from those categories will end up there. Finally, we need to make sure that the products or categories are properly linked to the production lines. So here for bar, you will see that it's all linked to the bar production line. And in the restaurant, we've by default configured the restaurant to go to the warm production line. However, for the salads, we've overwritten this to go to the cold production line. We could even, if we wanted to, override it for a specific product. Click the product and go to advanced and we can select a different production line here to override it of our product. We don't recommend overriding products a lot. So preferably configure your production lines on the level of a main category or subcategory, and only do this in exceptional situations because it's really easy to forget about how you configure things for a production line.